As we know, the gloves are off between the Delhi police and the Delhi government led by the Aam Aadmi Party. And the Aam Aadmi Party just put up this video that you're seeing on your screens right now on their Facebook page. They said this was an example of the police brutality that we see on the streets of the capital. The video, as you can see, shows two people dressed in police uniforms who are beating another person with sticks. The video also goes on to show at some point the police taking, the people dressed as policemen, taking a wallet from the man's pocket and taking money out of it. This video has been put up on the Facebook page and the description given by the Aam Aadmi Party is that it was shot at the Red Fort area of the capital by, and I quote, a vigilante. So these are the details that we have at the moment about that video that we are seeing. As you can see, it's dated according to the Aam Aadmi Party's details on the 12th of January 2014. There are two men. It starts off with one man dressed in police costume coming up and beginning to harass the man you can see on your screen. Another person then joining him, and then police brutality being enacted. Meanwhile, a statement has come from the police public relations office saying that they are checking the area to find out who the men in uniform are, whether they're from the area at all, or whether they're actually even men from the Delhi police. Let's go over to Tanima Biswas, who's on the phone line with us for more on this. Tanima, those are rather disturbing images that we're seeing of two men in police uniform beating this one person. The Aam Aadmi Party saying this is an example of police brutality. The police saying at the moment that they need to ascertain exactly what's going on.
That's right, Kajari. In fact, we have heard people from the Aam Aadmi Party earlier as well, where they have mentioned very clearly that most of the complaints that they are getting on their helpline number belong to are complaints related to the Delhi police. And now they have uploaded this video on their social networking page where they are saying that there are a few men from Delhi police who are beating up one person. It can be seen in the video. What the Delhi police are telling us as of now is that they're not exactly sure who these men are. They're trying to figure out whether they actually belong to the Delhi police force or otherwise. And in case it is found out that these men, the ones who are seen assaulting this one person, are actually from the Delhi police, that strict action will be taken against them. But for the moment, they are not even claiming that these men are actually from the Delhi police. They are saying that we're still trying to ascertain their identities, who these men are, which police station they belong to, what was the matter. So before they figure that out, this video has also just come to their notice shortly after media started reporting it. So they're looking into the matter. That's what they're telling as of now. But yes, another salvo being hit out from the Aam Aadmi Party towards the Delhi police, and they have been saying for quite some time now that the reason why they went for the protest, the reason why they took up the issue against the Delhi police is because they feel that a lot of people who are complaining to them, who are bringing situations to them, calling on their helplines, are actually complaining and making allegations against the Delhi police, which is why it's an important issue for them. And another video which has been uploaded by them on their social networking website, which clearly highlights that this is an important issue for them. And in case the video does turn out to be true, it is an important situation that the Delhi police will also have to answer for. Kajori.